Jimmy Thang from Maximum PC here. We're here at E3 2013 checking out the Unu tablet gaming console / smart TV. That's a lot. I'm here with Unu representative Nikki. Nikki, can you talk about what we're actually looking at here?
So Unu is really the world's first wholesome entertainment hub for the home. So it's a tablet which is the core of the system, and you can use it as in any other tablet, but it's running Android 4.2. It has a quad-core 1.6 GHz processor, has a quad-core GPU, so it's a really high-performance 7-inch tablet. But the really difference between this and other product is that once you dock it into the charger, everything goes on your TV, and it turns your TV into a smart TV and a video game console. And it ships with this controller, which is called the Air Mouse. And the Air Mouse is your controls for using it on the TV, so you don't have to sit with a tablet and navigate on the screen. You can just sit in the comfort of your couch and navigate. So the way that the Air Mouse works is it really works almost like a mouse in the air, hence the name. So you can basically just point with your TV and you got the cursor, and very much like a Wii remote or a computer mouse, you can basically choose what you want. So the interface is set up in different categories. So you got smart TVs, you got game, web, shopping, tools, news, music, social. And once you've chosen a category, then you can then you can just switch through the different games. So it's a very simple interface that makes it easy to navigate on your TV. If you want a more traditional interface like on a tablet, all you do is just slide it over and I went a little bit too far here. Oh, that's not good. Hang on. This is still prototype, so it's still work in progress, but you can get a normal kind of look to it. But basically you got all these smart TV functions where you can go on YouTube, you can go on Netflix, you can surf social media, and then you can also play games. And there's two ways you can play games. You can play it with the Air Mouse, very similar to other gesture controls, so you can play exactly, or a move control. Actually, this has 6-axis technology built in, so you can play Angry Bird, Fruit Ninja, all those gesture games with the remote. And then it comes with a real video game controller for those more hardcore games like first-person shooter and driving games, so you get it more close to a real video game console gaming experience.
Yeah, and I felt it earlier. It feels kind of a little bit like an Xbox controller.
Well, that was kind of what we wanted to do the best of both worlds. So if you look at the controller, it's somewhat similar to some of the Xbox layouts, but it has a PS3 style D-pad, which a lot of people tend to prefer. It has a newly designed shoulder button that goes all the way around the corner, so you can click it with the sides. You don't have to turn your knuckle around, and then a more like 360 style trigger mechanism. So it's kind of a hybrid of different video game controllers to try to get the best of all worlds built into it. It's also a slightly bit smaller so that the whole family can play with it, and it doesn't feel too big for the kids either. Another cool feature is that the Air Mouse, if you go like on Netflix or YouTube and you want to search for something, you can flip the Air Mouse over, and on the back side you have a full QWERTY keyboard, making searches or posts very easy to navigate.
And the tablet is a 7-inch tablet?
It's a 7-inch quad-core tablet with a quad-core GPU as well.
Is it Integra?
It's it's a rock chip that we're using. It's a brand new quad-core processor, 1.6 GHz that they just developed, and it's fully competitive with the others, but we're able to hit a much more aggressive price point with it without losing performance. So the media edition is going to be out at $199, and the gaming edition is going to be $249.
$499 you said?
$249.
$249, and the other one's
$199 for the media edition. One thing that this does that no other kind of Android gaming device does is you can buy multiple docking stations. One for your living room, one for your bedroom, one for the kids' room if you have kids. And you can watch a movie in your living room. It's like, I want to watch the rest in bed. Just undock it, dock in your bedroom, and keep on watching the movie or play games in bed. So it makes your whole home an interactive hub where you can play media in any room you like to.
Okay, and the 250 price, does that come with the accessories?
That comes, the $199 comes with the docking station, the air mouse, HDMI cable, and a 7-inch tablet. The $249 also includes the controller and a sleeve for travel for the tablet.
That actually doesn't sound too bad. And will it be getting, what version of Android is it running?
It will be Android 4.2.
4.2, and will it be eligible to receive the updates?
Yes.
Okay. Do you guys have a skin on top of it, or is it pretty much naked Android?
Well, what we've done is we want to make the interface as easy to use as possible on a TV as well as on tablet. So you have it like both the traditional kind of Android look to the tablet you can choose, or you can have like the slider that we just showed you where you can rotate between categories. But all the other things like your settings and so on are just standard Android layout. So if you're familiar with how to operate the Android system, you'll be familiar with this. So it's kind of a hybrid between the two.
Okay, Nicky, and final question, when can we expect to see this?
This will be ready in stores late summer 2013, so this year.
Well, it's very soon. All right, thank you.
All right, thanks.